Hi everyone, in today's video we will see Google Fi Transfer eSIM. How to transfer Google Fi eSIM to another device. Step 1. Check device compatibility. Your device must meet these requirements. Android phone or tablet. Run Android 7.0 and up. Have LTE bands 2 and 4 and support Volt. iPhone and iPad. Run iOS 13 and up. Google Fi only support eSIM on iPhone 14 and 15. Step 2. Update your device OS. To update your iPhone's operating system, follow these steps. Go to the settings, then general, then software update. The screen shows the currently installed version of iOS and whether an update is available. To update manually, tap software update and then install now. For Android device, the steps to update the operating system are: go to the settings, then about phone, then settings update. Tap on download now and then install now. Step 3. Download Google Fi app. To transfer an eSIM on your new phone, download the Google Fi app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Google Fi app, sign in with the Google account that you use to sign up for Google Fi. You may need to install an update. After your phone updates and restart, return to the app to continue phone setup. To restart your number transfer, follow the on-screen steps. Step 4. Delete the eSIM from your old phone. For iPhone, open the settings in your iPhone. Go to cellular or mobile data settings. Select the plan you want to erase. Tap delete eSIM. For Android phone, go to the settings, then network and internet, SIM card and internet, and then remove eSIM card. Step 5. Activate eSIM on your new phone. On a second device like a computer or tablet, go to the Google Fi iOS quick setup. Sign in to your Google Fi account of the user whose device you want to activate. On the Google Fi account, open the settings, select cellular and then add cellular plans. For Android, with the Android you want to activate Google Fi on, scan the QR code and follow the on-screen setup. Step 6. Update your network settings. For iPhone, open the settings, then tap on cellular, then cellular data network. Enter the text in your selected fields. Thank you for watching.